This is your weather update from the DeKalb County Severe Weather Team serving DeKalb and the surrounding areas.
Hello, everybody. Here's your forecast update as we get on into next week. Currently 10:43 p.m. on your Sunday night. Let's get started here. Monday looks to be partly sunny with a high around 73 degrees. It will be a little breezy at times. Tuesday will be mostly sunny, then a slight chance of thunderstorms. Looks like the high around 80, only 20% chance of some rain. Wednesday, some slight chance of some showers, then a slight chance of thunderstorms, high 81, 30% chance of rain and storms. Thursday, partly sunny, then a chance of some thunderstorms, high 82, and a chance of rain in between 50 and 60%. Now, let's get on and take a look at the Climate Prediction Center's temperature and precipitation probability outlook for April 4th through the 8th. Expect well above average temperatures expected during that time frame. Also, well above average chances for precipitation. So, we will be getting better chances of some rain and also storms in the forecast as we do move further out. So keep that in mind, and we'll also be watching to see if anything does become severe with any of that. Right now, just too far out to determine that. We'll take a look at your pretty much total rainfall outlook between now and the 6th time frame. Between now and the 6th, could see an inch or more of rainfall, depending on whether there's an eastern shift of the heaviest rainfall. Right now, model outlooks are wanting to keep the heaviest rain west of us, but as several more storm systems track into the area, we will eventually get some heavier rainfall as we get further into April. So thanks for joining us here. That's going to be our short video, and we'll wrap things up with our sponsors, Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, you can give him a call at 256-979-4330. Also, second sponsor will be RKG Automotive Group. For more information, you can give them a call at 256-323-7323. If you're looking to buy a vehicle, definitely check them out. And if you need land maintenance, pressure washing, any kind of work, they do it. Shappy Land Maintenance. Give Shane Witten a call at 256-601-2608. So have a great rest of your night, everybody, and we'll see you on the next update. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow.